Tired of the hassle of transferring files and documents between your Windows 11 or 10 devices? Well, in this video, we're going to unveil the incredible power of Nearby Share, a feature that will revolutionize the way you share content. Get ready to witness the magic as we dive into the step-by-step process and unlock the full potential of your devices. But before we embark on this journey, we need to ensure that your Bluetooth is enabled on all the devices you wish to connect. Once that's checked off, let's dive right in. For Windows 10 users, the process is straightforward. Head over to your Settings menu, navigate to the System section, and scroll down to find the Shared Experiences option. Clicking on it will open up the Nearby Sharing. Windows 11 users, the process is similar. Just like its predecessor, head to the System settings and locate the Nearby Sharing feature. With a few clicks, you'll find yourself in a familiar interface. Now, it's time to activate the feature and toggle it on. From sharing content with nearby devices using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, to choosing whether to share with everyone or restrict it to your own devices, the power is in your hands. You have the freedom to decide where your received files will be saved. Customize your download location to suit your preferences and simplify the process. With everything set up, let's put Nearby Share to the test. Right-click on the file and select the Share option from the context menu. The feature will search for available devices, and once it finds your Windows 11, just a single click will initiate the transfer. If you are finding this content informative, do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. To ensure a smooth experience, head over to your notifications panel, where you'll see the progress of the sharing process as it awaits Windows acceptance. Once they've accepted, voila! Your image has successfully traveled across to your Windows 11 device. And that's the secrets of Nearby Share unveiled, allowing you to effortlessly transfer files, documents, and even web pages across your Windows 10 and 11 devices. It's time to say goodbye to the arduous process of file transfers and embrace the convenience of Nearby Share. Until next time, keep sharing, keep exploring, and keep witnessing the wonders of technology unfold before your eyes. See you in the next one.